squad, and welcome back to the vlog. It is Vlogmas day 6, and you guys, I am doing a simple cook with me video. So yeah, I will be using the turkey perlo that I made. I will be reheating that. I'm gonna cook a spatchcock chicken. And if you don't know what a spatchcock chicken is, it's a whole bird with the back cut out in the back. And you're just gonna butterfly it, season it, and then bake it as so. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And I don't know what else I'm gonna cook. I may or may not cook a veggie because some of the kids, you know, they just don't eat it. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rice done and also my chicken. All right, guys, so I got the rice here that I'll be reheating. This is my turkey and sausage perlo. I really wanted some sweet peas with it, but I'm not sure if anybody else is going to eat it with me. So yeah, let's see if I can get some rice out into that pot. If y'all hear some little tapping noises, that's my puppy. So we're gonna get started with our chicken. We're gonna get it washed and we're gonna get it cleaned off with lemon as well. I got a scissors right here as well to cut the back out of the chicken. Let's go ahead and get this cut open like so. So it's now time for me to spatchcock this chicken. I got the insides of it, the liver here, the chicken neck, and the gizzards. I'll be using those for some dressing later on, okay? All right, so you're gonna come up here by the doggone neck, just like so. You just want to go right down the side right here, or the spine. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just go right there by the neck. Alright guys, so we are about halfway through with today's video, and what I want to know is how you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. Right now, you guys, I am enjoying every bit of it, watching it and also creating. Yes, I am loving it. This is my first time doing Vlogmas, and I was hoping to bring things that you guys enjoyed. Decorating is one of my passions, so yes, you'll see more decorations to come. As of right now, you guys, I'm about to get this chicken right so that we can eat. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let your family and friends know what we have going on over here. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And to my OGs, baby, I love you. All right, guys, back to the video.
Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you, baby.
Alright guys, so I'm about to check on my chicken. Let's go ahead and take the wrapper off. Golly. I'm gonna wrap the crap out of that. Hold on, y'all. Alright, I got the chicken out of the oven. This is how that spatchcock chicken is turning out. What I'm going to do is go ahead and stick it back in the oven just like this right here, uncovered. And I'm going to brown it just a little bit more. And that's it. Alright, y'all, I got my spatchcock chicken out of the oven. And just to show you guys how tender this thing is, I got a butter knife. Look at that. Oh, baby. Gonna make you one, baby. Look at that. I went straight through that mug. Straight through. Just to show you on the other side. Come on over here. Come on over here, girl. I didn't even go all the way through. I just took the knife and moved it over. That's it. Baby. Look at here. I'm about to go ahead and plate us up something. But before I do that, let me show y'all my husband fried chicken. The boy can fry some chicken. You heard me? Hold on. Hold the line. Yo. Look at my husband fried chicken. The boy can fry some chicken. You heard me? He can fry some chicken. Baby, let me give y'all a close-up. Oh, my God. Let me go ahead and steal one right now. Sheesh. Woo. Y'all look at that. The boy can fry some golden fried chicken. God almighty. Let me go ahead and plate this up because I'm ready to eat right now.
To see you again, baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Alright guys, so this is it for my meal for tonight. I got my pearl rice right here with turkey and sausage. I got my baked chicken. And I got the husband good old fried chicken. His famous golden brown fried chicken. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you like what I've done here. Y'all please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let your family and friends know what we are doing over here. I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 7.